Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So this is my first makeup tutorial which I'm doing for an iftar party or an Eid makeup. I'm actually going for a party, so I thought whatever I'm doing for the party I will share with you all as well. So hopefully you would like it as an iftar party makeup and you would like to recreate it yourself. If you like whatever I've done to my face, please do keep on watching. I'll be just sharing the steps with you. So now starting the makeup tutorial, which I'm very excited and nervous about. I would firstly be using Benefit Professional to reduce the appearance of pores on my face. I will use it all over my face and my neck so that the pores are minimized, and just rub it properly all over the face and neck. I know the cast would appear a little white to you, but it will reduce in the later run when we are done with the look. Post Professional, I'll be using Benefit That Gal Primer all over my face again so that the makeup sticks on for long, because I'll be out for a good 3 to 4 hours in the party. So let's prep my face for it, and of course my neck. I'll also be using the primer a little under my eye and rub it well. So here goes the second step. Post which I will be using a concealer from Lollipops Paris. This is a paraben-free concealer which suits my complexion very well, which is why I use it. So I'll be using it under my eyes. Of course, I use it in triangular motions so that the eyes do not look too much done up. So I use it under my eyes and any place where I have any breakouts or anything of that sort, where I basically want some concealer to hide my breakouts or any other spots which I have. For the other parts of the face, I use a highlighter. So now I would be, I know I'm looking a little funny, but I would be using my BB cream, the Pond's BB cream. I do not use foundation mostly. I use a BB cream whenever I can. It took some time for me to open. So I will be putting the BB cream all across my face and my neck. The BB cream has to be uniform so that you get uniform coverage. Put it all over your neck also, otherwise your neck would look a little out of place. Next we are going to blend it, of course. Next I would be blending my entire face using my beauty blender, which is quite dirty right now, but any which ways. Blend it in pats. Do not blend it in very heavy strokes. Blend it while plaiting so that the thing is very much uniform. The complexion is pretty much uniform. Even below your eyes, pat it instead of rubbing it very badly, because that's not going to do any good to your skin. On the neck you can actually go in long motions. So after this I would be using the Color-Bar highlighter. I would again be using the same beauty blender to blend it. Last step for the base, I'm using my Maybelline pressed powder all over my face to set the base a little, to set the canvas. So after this my base is complete, post which I will be using Makeup Revolution eyebrow palette. This is the palette. If you can see, I will be using this color over my brows to just highlight them a little. I mostly have full brows, but just a little bit of filling will be required. I would have to clear it using a powder, so I'll do that a little later. So for this look in the eyeshadows, I'm using a typical golden shade and a little bit of a brownish pink shade, which is from Lakme 9 to 5 Desert Rose palette. So I'll be using these two shades. First of all, I'll be highlighting my eyes with the golden shade. After the golden one, I'm applying a little bit of the light brown one just on my eyelids a little. After my eyeshadow is done, I will be using the Himalaya Kajal over my tight line and on my upper eyelid, just to I will be putting a very thin line on both my tight lines. As well as on my upper line. Very thin line on my upper line as well. And same on the other side. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Volume Express Mascara, Hyper Curl one. I'm using it both in my upper as well as my lower lash line. For the blush, I'm using Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush. I'll mention the shade down below because I hardly remember. The the blush is a very light blush which is just going to give me a soft pink color. For my lips, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Matte Magenta. I have used this shade a lot of times before and you all like it. So this is my finished basic Eid makeup. I will just get ready a little. I'll just get my earrings, my outfit and my hair and come back to you in a while. So I'm done with the makeup look. I hope you liked the look and I hope you could follow it. I would also put it in the description box, any steps which I've missed explaining or anything of that sort. It was my first makeup tutorial, so please bear with me. I'm wearing a kurta from Soch which has a fulkari kind of an embroidery. Earrings are from a local artisan but they match with the kurta. And I'm going for an iftar party. I'm not wearing a bindi or anything of that sort. I'm just going like this, and this is the look. I hope you like it. If you liked it, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. This was my first makeup look, so I'm very excited what your comments would be, and hopefully they'll be okay. Hope I did an okay job, at least not a good one but an okay one. So until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Have a really nice day. Bye.